we are here at Lauterbrunnen. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So it's actually raining. We didn't expect this, but we didn't want to miss the place. So we are still here, and there is a beautiful waterfall over there.
There are many waterfalls.
Yeah, actually there are many. So we are trying to visit this one. So the place is really beautiful. The mountains are covered with fog, but yet it is really nice.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So we bought our groceries in this supermarket. The prices are reasonable, not so expensive. If you are in Switzerland, it's always better option to choose to buy the groceries at supermarket, because if you eat outside, it's very expensive. For example, just now this morning we ate the Burger King. One burger is 19 euros. Imagine how expensive it is. So it's always better to buy to buy groceries in the grocery store and make your own food in your hotel or in Airbnb. We took Airbnb next to this town, so we stopped in Coop supermarket and we bought all the groceries to cook at our home. It's a better idea. So in Europe, if you want to do any snow activities or any other activities, you can find the stores like this, Intersport, for example, also like this, Intersport and Decathlon. You can also rent from them. You need to buy every time. So it depends. Today the weather is very bad, so I think no one is using this product to do the activities. So in this place, mostly you see the parking spot like this in the private parking spaces, but you have to look for the public parking. So normally the public parking will be in the blue color. The lanes are in blue color, so you have to park in the public parking. So we have to pay from the kiosk machines. So we parked our car next to this waterfall. This is our car. So if you want to park like this, you have to look at the parking stations. You can see there is a parking symbol where I paid my parking ticket. So you can, if you have a coin, 6 francs, if you have money, you can pay by just dropping inside the machine. But if you don't have the money, don't worry, you can pay by card, but not on the machine. You have to scan the barcode, this barcode, and it directly shows the app. You have to install the app and you need to put the timing, how much time you need to park here. So if you can find the blue parking, you can park, but if you find the white parking, you have to pay like this. You have to pay by using this machine. So for us it was like 2 euros for 2 hours. It's not so expensive. It depends on region actually. So luckily we found right next to the waterfall.